Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Want to make your Shopify store look more polished and professional? Today, I'll show you exactly how to add a custom favicon. That's the tiny logo you see in your browser tab to your Shopify store. It's a small detail, but adding your favicon can really help your brand stand out and makes your shop look so much more trustworthy to new visitors. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to get your favicon up and running in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First, let's head over to your Shopify admin page. This is your main control room for your entire store. If you're not sure where to find it, just go to shopify.com and log in with your store credentials. You'll land on your dashboard where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens. Once you're in, look for the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. It's usually listed with a little icon of a shopping bag. This section is where you can handle everything related to your store's appearance and layout. Clicking Online Store brings up another menu with options like themes, blog posts, and so on. We're interested in themes, and that should be open by default, showing your current live theme. Now, right next to your theme name, you'll see a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the Shopify theme editor, where you can tweak how your store looks. Things like colors, fonts, images, and of course your favicon. It might take a second to load, especially if you have a lot of apps or heavy images, so don't worry if you see a loading bar for a few moments. With the theme editor open, look for the panel on the left and scroll all the way to the bottom until you spot Theme Settings. Click it. Theme Settings is where Shopify lets you change global elements, things that show up across your whole site, not just one page or section. Inside Theme Settings, find and select Logo and Favicon. Sometimes this might simply be labeled Favicon or branding, depending on the theme you're using. But most modern Shopify themes group logo and favicon settings together. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option to add or update your favicon. Click the Select button next to the favicon section. You can now upload your custom favicon image, ideally something simple and recognizable even at a tiny size, like your logo's icon. If you don't have one ready, Shopify also gives you the choice to use a free favicon from their built-in library, though a personalized one is always best for reinforcing your unique brand. After uploading, be sure to save your changes. You don't want all that effort to disappear. But wait, how can you see how it looks? Go back to the theme section and look for the three-dot icon beside your live theme. It's usually used for more options. Click on that, then select View. This opens a preview of your storefront in a new tab, letting you check out your brand new favicon in action, right up there next to the page title. And that's it. Your new favicon should be live for all your visitors to see. Remember, sometimes browsers cache old icons, so if the change doesn't show up right away, try refreshing or clearing your cache. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about favicons or other shop customizations, let me know in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Shopify tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and best of luck making your store shine.